Welcome again to Science Academy, Diploma CIT 2018, Mechanical Engineering Department. So we'll discuss about the Unit 1 Manufacturing Technology. In that topic, we are going to discuss about the drilling. So first question is, the tool used to withdraw a drill from its sleeve is known as option A, drift, option B, drill puller, option C, drill remover, option D, Allen key. And the right option is option D, Allen key. Second question, it is desired to perform the operations like drilling, reaming, counterboring, etc. on workpiece by which machine? The options are option A, sensitive drilling machine, option B, radial drilling machine, option C, gang drilling machine, and option D, multiple spindle drilling machine. The right option is option C, that is gang drilling machine. Next one is the third question. Drilling is an example for dash. Option A, simple cutting. Option B, oblique cutting. Option C, uniform cutting. Option D, orthogonal cutting. And the right option is option B, that is oblique cutting. Next, we will move on to fourth question. Cutting edge of twist drill is known as dash. Option A, flank. Option B, wedge. Option C, flute. And option D, lips. And the right option is option C, flute. Next we will move on to fifth question. The following are the drilling operations. Option A, boring. Option B, trepanning. Option C, countersinking. And option D, all of the above. And the right option is option D, it is all of the above. Please, we will move on to sixth question. In drilling, the metal is removed by option A, compression, option B, shearing, option C, extrusion and shearing, and option D, blanking. And the right option is option C, that is extrusion and shearing. We will discuss. Next we move on to seventh question. The helix angle of a standard drill is dash. Option A, 40 degrees, option B, 30 degrees, option C, 20 degrees, and option D, 10 degrees. And the right option is option B, that is 30 degrees. Next we will move on to eighth question. The drilling machines used for drilling holes of rifle barrels is dash. The options are options A, portable drilling machine, option B, sensitive drilling machine, option C, deep hole drilling machine, and option D, radial drilling machine. And the right option is option C, that is deep hole drilling machine. One is ninth one. The question is, a twist drill is specified by. The options are option A, material and shank, option B, material, shank and length, then option C, shank and diameter, then option D, shank, diameter and length. The right option is option D, that is shank, diameter and length. Next, 10th one. The following are the parts of the radial drilling machine. The options are options A, column, options B, motor, option C, pulley, then option D, all of the above. And the right option is option D, that is all of the above. Next, we will move on to 11th question. The question is, trepanning operation is performed for. The options are option A, enlarging end of a hole, option B, producing large holes, option C, final finish of hole, and option D, correct diameter of hole. And the right option is option B, that is producing large holes. Next, we'll move on to 12th question. The question is the operation of producing helical grooves on inner and outer surface of the workpiece is called option A, forming, option B, threading, option C, reaming, and option D, counter boring. The right option is option B, threading. The next one is 13th question. The device used for spot facing is dash. The options are option A, drill, option B, single point cutting tool, option C, tap, and option D, counter boring. The right option is option B, that is single point cutting tool. Next, we will discuss the 14th question. The point angle between the two lips in a twist drill is dash. The options are options A, 115 degrees, option B, 105 degrees, option C, 102 degrees, and option D, 118 degrees. And the right option is option D, that is 118 degrees.